Amazon Marketing Strategy, a brief guide. Introduction. The key marketing implementation behind Amazon's marketing strategy's success is the incorporation of digital marketing into their strategies. This massive level of growth can be achieved only when the digital marketing challenges are properly analyzed and the fundamentals of digital marketing are precisely applied. Starting with the basic e-commerce platform, Amazon is now one of the leading multinational business companies targeting e-commerce, cloud computing, multimedia streaming, artificial intelligence, and many other such intricate technical fields. In this article, we studied the secret behind the success of Amazon as a best global marketplace. The adoption of digital marketing into their tactics is a primary marketing execution that accounts for the success of Amazon's marketing strategy. Marketing mix of Amazon. What is a marketing mix, you may be wondering? A company comes up with a unique idea to present itself and to promote itself by mixing multiple areas as a part of its marketing plan. Such a marketing strategy is called a marketing mix. A marketing mix consists of four major key elements: product, pricing, locations, and promotion. These four elements in a company's marketing plan are commonly referred to as the 4Ps and are extremely effective when developing a marketing plan to market a product or service to their target audiences. Now, let's look at the 4Ps of Amazon's marketing strategy. Product. As previously discussed, Amazon was only into selling books at the initial stages of its establishment. After all these years, Amazon is now capable of successfully selling products in multiple different categories. They include categories like kitchen accessories, electronics, outdoor accessories, books, artwork, and many more. Amazon's marketing strategy for product marketing was as simple as that. In order to compete with competitors, Amazon decided to just expand the product category by adding new categories of products. Places. Amazon's online marketplace is one of its best assets. The Amazon marketing strategy and business strategies allowed users to shop from Amazon remotely, from any point in the market domain. And to make a massive difference, they also launched Amazon Global to allow its customers to shop internationally for products from any part of the world. The fact that Amazon can provide a service that ships products quickly indicates that there are customers willing to invest time and money in this company. If not for the reputation, the service they provided, and a wide range of product categories available drove the company to become a successful business. Promotion. When it comes to marketing, everyone understands how important promotion is. By not limiting itself to just digital marketing, Amazon's marketing strategy has also made use of variations of traditional marketing strategies. For creating promotions, products were advertised in press magazines, newspaper, billboards, telecasted in televisions, and other such operations were done. Through proper communication, they know exactly who to reach out to sell a particular product. Platforms and channels of Amazon marketing. Aside from the most commonly used marketing mix strategy, Amazon also employs other marketing models, such as PPC campaigns. Amazon PPC, pay-per-click, is one of Amazon's advertising models that allow merchants to amplify their products. By creating such campaigns, sellers showcase their products on top of other products. Every time a potential customer clicks and lands on the product page, the sellers are charged a small fee by Amazon. Amazon digital marketing strategies. Amazon's marketing reach is very broad because it targets customers of all types and approaches them through multiple channels. Now that everyone is using social media, Amazon's social media marketing strategy allows it to promote and advertise its products to a large number of customers using social media as a medium. To reach out to multi-category audiences or customers, Amazon took help from multiple big and small influencers across the globe to effectively reach to more audiences. Targeting audiences through Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and Facebook, Amazon made its way more effectively to targeted customers and worldwide audiences. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.